Jim Shannon here from Keller Williams, Lincoln Park. I'm just going to go over a couple of questions I keep getting asked during the course of business. The main one is, are we still doing business? The answer is yes. To see properties, we're using photos, virtual videos, floor plans, and in the case where I can get onto a property where it's a vacant site, I can go through and do FaceTime calls with clients. Some of the precautions that we're taking when we're on site, we're using PPE gear, gloves, masks, etc. We're using antiseptic wipes. We're limiting contact with surfaces, and we're also practicing reduce people on site. If you don't need to see the property, then we encourage you not to participate, and we're keeping social distancing guidelines when we're around people. Once we get to the decision stage, if you like a property, as you know, in the real estate industry, we've been electronic for a few years as it reduces friction around doing business. We've jumped onto online documentation, DocuSign, etc. So if you're unfamiliar with that, we can go through and give you a quick demo. I just want you to know that life is still moving. People are having life events, births, job changes, relocations, etc. And although we have seen a reduction in business transacting, we're still seeing a 30 to 35% of normal transaction volume. If you have any other further questions, please give me a call. My details are in the link below.